Hi guys, welcome to this video on how I'm going to show you how I use my seam ripper. A lot of people do not know how to use this instrument. This is one of the sewing accessories that I hate to use, but I have to use it because once in a while you make a mistake, as I just made a mistake with this. I was not supposed to sew this way. So I have to loosen all this out. So I decided to show you how I do use mine. So what I'll do first is to look for the stitches, remove a few of the stitches. First of all, see how difficult it is at times to do this. Some people make it look so simple, but it's not though. So we are making progress. So that's essentially how you use it, and the red bulb actually protects your material from being cut. That's just the difference between it and using a razor blade. Is that red bulb. So that's it. Essentially, I'm almost through. It's quite a long one. And there's no way you sew once in a while that you won't make this mistake. And join the wrong materials or join the wrong end to the wrong end. That's essentially how I use my seam ripper. I decided to just do this short video to show you all how relatively easy it is to use a seam ripper the right way. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a seam ripper. If you don't have one, stop using razor blade. Go and buy one. It's not so expensive. I have a link below. I bought this one from Amazon. So So this one is live, finished. Thank you so much for watching. So go and get this little devil. You need it for your sewing. Till next time.